look what we tracked down here. Set of 18-inch AC Schnitzer Type 2 racing wheels, 3-piece, split wheels, made by Ronald for AC Schnitzer in the late 90s. Of course, they've been discontinued now. Super, super rare. I got the price sheet from new. These were $1,500 a wheel. You know, they're split wheels, super high-end, titanium hardware, 5-spoke classics. And in restored condition, these are just worth an absolute fortune. I actually just sold a set for $6,000. I have one of my friends, Ozzy Rims, up in Canada, sold a set of faces alone for $3,500 recently, a set of faces that needed powder coat. So these are super rare. You don't see a whole lot of information out there. They're made for 5 Series cars, so they got the 74.1 hub bore. These I'm gonna rebuild and put on my E36 M3 S54 swap. So I'm gonna try and chronicle this rebuild. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use the original equipment or go through SRR hardware and get some new lips and barrels. But the original titanium hardware is in good shape. The previous owner had actually gone through the trouble of powder coating the faces in stock color, but we'll definitely do the Elric Wheelworks center cap conversion.